Hello guys, welcome back to Indo Drama channel. So guys, after COVID-19 impact in China, according to the informations, some other viruses were found in China. And the impact of that viruses also slowly increasing. The viruses are found in China. They are hantavirus, G4 swine flu virus that recently we have seen a lot of videos in YouTube. But rather than hantavirus and G4 swine flu virus, China booked some cases for one historic disease. Basically, this disease is not related to virus. This disease is caused by a well-known bacteria, which is the reason for Black Death. That is bubonic plague disease. There is a city in China's Inner Mongolia. From there, some cases have been diagnosed as bubonic plague disease. Right now, this information is discussing around the world as concerned to this bubonic plague disease. In China, the situation becomes worse right now. Alert given in stage 3 for this bubonic plague disease. So guys, why China is serious about it and how much this disease is dangerous, we'll see in this video. Let's start. Before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. So recently, China has confirmed one case of bubonic plague in Bayan Nur, which is in the city of Inner Mongolia, China. This case was confirmed by Chinese Health Authority. In the starting of the month July 1, 2 cases were confirmed in Mongolia. The cases were reported in Khovid province in the western part of Mongolia. The case was confirmed after the proper test result by lab. The patients who had suffered from this disease were died. 27-year-old one resident and his brother 17 years old. The lab test result says that the main reason of getting this bacteria by consuming mammoth meat, which is one of the species of rat. Now we will discuss about what is bubonic plague. On 13th century, from 1347 to 1351, Europe is totally suffered because of bubonic plague. The bubonic plague, also called as Black Death, known for pestilence and also known as great mortality. The death reported because of this disease around 7 crore to 20 crores. This disease was declared as the most fatal pandemic recorded in history. Bubonic plague is caused by bacteria Yersinia pestis. This Yersinia pestis bacteria lives in fleas. Fleas are those tiny insects who can't fly. This fleas which carries this bacteria lives in rats and some birds. When human consume this rat, basically happens in Mongolia. Basically when human consume this, at that time these fleas will jump to human body and the disease will occur. From 19th century, the impact of this disease was slowly decreasing. Now, the main reason or the main problem is this disease is capable of spreading through human to human. Because of that, China given this alert. So guys, what will be the symptoms of bubonic plague? If someone get infected from this bacteria, the symptoms are fever, chills, headache, muscle aches and fatigue, and some in severe cases, abdomen pain, bleeding, cough with blood and shortness of breathing. This leads to severe pain and death. And most of the cases, when severity increases, in that time, the body parts become black. Death from this disease in just 24 hours. And any age group people can easily affect from this bacteria. So what is the medicine for bubonic plague? The medicine is strong antibiotics. So treatment of this disease is very efficiently available in today's time, and there is no need to worry about it. In 13th century, because of less medical facility, large number of people died. But every year in each and every continent, this disease affects some people, roughly 5 to 10 that we saw in Mongolia right now. So guys, the cases of bubonic plague in China will definitely be limited up to its area and controlled so soon. So guys, Indo Drama is going to start a new series, that is Explore the World with Indo Drama. So guys, in this series we will explore the world by its interesting facts and mysteries and lots of other things. So stay tuned with us, subscribe the channel, share to your friends, and we'll meet in the next
video